Hi neighbors. A few days ago, Paul and I went to Brosi Sugar Tree Farms over by Winston, Oregon. Our mission was to pick pears, which we did, and at the same time we found some Roma tomatoes, some pickling cucumbers. But let me show you the tomatoes right here. Nice box. And what we're going to do to preserve them for right now, we're going to blanch them, boil them in some hot water, and then put them in cold water in the sink and peel them. And then we'll put them in quart jars and can them. So that's a project for today. Okay, our water's boiling. Let's go ahead and get some tomatoes in here. There we go. I'm going to put the lid back on so it can get hot. There we go. All right, you can see the skins are starting to wrinkle up and come loose. So let's pull them out of here. Over we go. Okay, let's get these peeled. See how easy the peel comes off now? Just like that. I'm trying something with the tomato peelings that I've never done before. I've seen other people do it, and I put them in my dehydrator, and I've got, let's see, 4 trays. And the idea is that when they're dehydrated, then you can make them into kind of a powder to add to your sauces, or a little bit of water added would make a little bit of tomato paste rather than just throw them in the compost pile. I'm trying this, so we'll see how that turns out. So Paul's helping me out with slicing up the cucumbers. He's getting started here. Throw them in the bowl, and then we have a big white onion here to slice. We'll mix those two together, sprinkle about a cup of salt on them, stir them up, and let them sit for a while to draw the extra water out before we can them. Okay, there's our bowl with onions and cucumbers. We sprinkled it with a cup of salt, stirring it in, and then we'll let that set for a few hours and drain the liquid off, and then they'll be ready to add the brine. All right, our cucumbers and onions have been sitting in the salt for several hours. So we're going to drain them, put them in this colander. Now we'll put it in our pint jars and add the brine. There's our jars of pickles ready to go into the water bath. 1, 2, 3, 9 pints and 1/2 pint. So we'll get them in there for 10 minutes once it starts to boil, and when we take them out, they'll be all done. Paul just finished chopping up all these veggies for his famous Papa salsa. He's got gloves on because they're jalapenos.
Jalapenos in there, and yellow pepper, and red pepper, and tomatoes, and white onion.
Oh, man.
And garlic.
All he has to do is jar it up, put it through the processor, and salsa for miles. Sure smells good already.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, he ended up with 6 pints of salsa ready to go into the pressure cooker. He'll have it go to 15 pounds of pressure for 0 minutes, and then it will be done.